Hello, my name is Brandon Devnich from Pegasaas.com. I am considered the head of product development here. We take a look at all the different components of the Pegasaas system, how to make them, how to put them together, how to make everything harmonious. Today I want to talk about the new feature that we've just added to our system in version 1.12.1 called the Auto Image Sizer. Now this shouldn't be confused with the existing functionality of Pegasaas where we can resize images on the fly, because we can, through our API. If you have a width and height attribute applied to an HTML image tag within your HTML, Pegasaas will bundle up the information, send it along to the API. The API will optimize the image and serve it back to the system so that your visitors can have a properly sized image served to them. It's beautiful. But what about those situations where you don't have a width and height attribute applied to the image tag? Because of CSS and some of the styles that you can apply to images, images can appear to be the right size, but actually be much, much larger. The web browser will scale the image down appropriately, but that doesn't actually mean that the image has been sized appropriately. You can have an image that is 5,000 pixels wide showing up in a spot for a 50 pixel image, and that image 2, 3, 4, 5 megabytes really should only be maybe 50 kilobytes. So you have a very large image that doesn't need to be a very large image. So we developed a system called the auto sizing system where Pegasaas will go and analyze the images in your web pages, figure out what the appropriately sized width and height should be for each image, and then apply that to your web page automatically. And so what the result is that there may have been an image this big, but it will truly be only this big once it gets served out to your web browser. So this is our brand new feature called the Auto Image Sizer. Essentially it means you don't have to size your images any longer. That was not the intent. The intent was to catch all those images that slipped by. All those images that perhaps, because of the WordPress theme, didn't have a width and height attribute applied to them, but would allow you to, maybe through a control panel, associate maybe a logo that is this big, that's supposed to be right in the top portion of your web page, very small. So now this system will catch that. Anyways. Thanks so much for joining me. Hope you enjoy this new feature. Again, that is a part of version 1.12.1, now available from Pegasaas.com.